Hey everyone, Tomas and Ana Lucia here, and we are at a very, very special place. You know where we're at?
Camp Dudley.
That's right. We are at YMCA Camp Dudley, located on Clear Lake. This is where I got my start in video, right here, making all sorts of fun programs and games for the kids and doing just a lot of wacky and crazy stuff. And one of the things we would make are banana boats. Have you ever had a banana boat before?
I have not.
Okay, for these banana boats, you're gonna need bananas, Nutella, strawberries, hazelnuts, marshmallows, and some raspberry truffles.
We begin by slicing the banana right down the middle, and then spreading the banana open to create a valley.
We then add our Nutella spread, strawberries, marshmallows, top it with some hazelnuts, and then we add some truffles from our friends at Chuck or Cherries.
Those are delicious.
You're supposed to put them in your banana boat?
We then wrap our bananas in heavy-duty foil and place them on the grill for about 10 minutes.
Ooh, wow, look at that. Might be hot, be careful. Look at this. Cheers. Here.
That was really good. I like how it reminds me of like Nutella and banana like pancakes or waffles.
So if you're looking for your next campfire dessert, give banana boats a try. You can try all sorts of different kinds and different flavors. Anything that floats your boat, it's a banana boat. All right, we'll see you guys next time. To learn how to make this recipe and many others, head on over to wagrown.com.